Hello, Sebastian here from Twin Peaks. In this video, we're going to look at the price statistics bottom in the SidiFootprint Indicator. Statistic button here is the area at the bottom of the chart. Here we can display values for each bar. Accordingly, very similar to the function, statistics, which we have already discussed here above. We also have the option here to display various values, up to 13 different ones, one below the other. The whole thing here also goes from trades volume, volume per S, buy and sell volume delta in various versions up to the bar time. And this simply gives us the opportunity to see very quickly which information could be important for us. And thanks to the direct display and also the option of displaying the background of each field, value-based, we have the option if we push the whole thing together, simply due to the coloring and due to the strength of the coloring makes it easy to see which areas might be of interest to us. And we currently have this in here, that we have the delta at the top, the volume, bar section, and the cumulative delta. And the cumulative delta in particular can be very interesting in the presentation because we can see here where we are. At around 1530, we started off relatively neutral, then moved strongly into the positive range. And then here from around 17, clock came in neutral to negative. And then it stayed like this for the time being until we fell into a strongly negative session delta range. We can see this here at simply from the color display. And that makes it very charming to have it displayed here at the bottom because I could no longer read the statistics directly below the bar or judge them. And the bigger we make it, then the text will also appear at some point so that you can work with them precisely, depending on which trading approach you take. And as we can see, we always have the option here for each individual setting to determine the text color, also the opacity, the maximum opacity, and also the background color. You can determine accordingly here. And the whole thing is then available again here below as general settings, which then applies to all, just like text color, like font size, or even the colors that you store here. We have stored our own fonts here in Ninjatrader because, yes, that is also our company color, this cyan, and correspondingly the complementary color, this coral red, which I always find very pleasant as representation because it is eye-catching, is a bit pastel. So do not be surprised if you don't find these colors in your... we also have the option to switch grid borders on again if we want to have it subdivided. I don't like that so much. I prefer it really edgeless. And then here in this illustration, if we turn off this transparent backpoint, then now if there is a background behind it that would stand out again. Since I don't have one down here, I can just leave the whole thing ticked off like this. So I have up to 13 lines that I can display here. And this is really instant. So if, for example, I want to display the trades at the bottom here, well, then that works too. Or perhaps I would like to display shopping volume ratio, which is also possible here at, and I can set how I want the colors for everything individually, whether they should be solid or whether they should be value-based, fixed. And that actually makes it very flexible. And yes, gives you the advantage in case of doubt in fast trading to be able to recognize this simply by the colors. In other words, you can really hide the statistics section completely with a single click if you want to, or then show it again. So here too is very convenient at this point. In the next video, we will take a look at the price marker area. Sos